Man, we are muddy. Check me out. You sure you're gonna be able to ride this?
Maybe.
Maybe. Stupid! I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up.
Have it up a little bit.
Yo, what is going on, y'all? Hope y'all are having a good day today. I'm out here at our farm, so we're gonna get some dirt bike riding in today. Today I think I'm gonna teach my brother how to ride because he is dog at riding, and he just hasn't really got taught. So I think I'm gonna teach him how. Right now he's just hitting some golf balls, if you can see him down there. But nah, I love coming out here. It goes on forever. It's like 127 acres. Vita, come here. Stupid mutts. So you're lucky you're cute. You guys look the same too. Lilo, sit. Y'all look cold. Alright, let's get the bike. Oh, what are you trying to hit, bro?
I'm trying to hit the stick over there, but I topped it.
What are you trying to hit down there?
See behind between the bell? See like a little stick up?
You're trying to hit the little stick in between the bell?
Well, I'll go over the bell.
Oh, over the bell? Dang, you're just gonna keep on hitting the barn because you're trash. Get it up, get it up. After this, go get the bike. Close. A little short. What you think? What you think? He's yawning at you. He said you trash. He said go get the bike. He said go get the bike. Alright, hit the ball, dummy, and let's go ride. You are trash, kid. You are trash. Stick to, bro, pick up your club and stick to riding. Pick up your club. That's why nobody golfs, bro. It's like golfing's for a loser like you. Hey, give it another hit. Give it another hit. Alright, screw that. Let's go. Stupid. Let's go. Keep in the barn. Oh, you look like a little minion with your little cap and clothes. Hey, big dog. Here's the keys. Catch, catch. Good catch. Give my bike out. Alright, I'm just gonna go till it flops out. But if you drop it, even though it's been dropped so many times, if you drop it, I'm gonna beat you up.
Alright.
Gosh, it's on the rope.
Dude.
You're special, kid. Use muscle. You not have any muscles? You don't have any muscles? There you go. Oh my gosh. Big, it's caught on the rope, kid. Dude, if you drop it, I'm actually gonna be mad. Oh my gosh, kid. You sure you're gonna be able to ride this?
Maybe.
Maybe. Stupid, I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here, kid. I'm gonna beat you up. Come here. Come here, stupid. I'm gonna beat you up. If I twist my ankle, I'm beating you up. Come here. Come here, stupid. Eat the ground. That's what my bike had to do. See this? Look at this cow patty right here. Eat that. Eat that poop. You're sitting in poop, kid. You're sitting in the cow poop. Now go pick my bike up. You're sitting in the cow poop. Tell me. You good?
Hey, look under there.
What?
Look under there.
Under where? Stupid.
Put my hand.
Stupid. I'm gonna drop your pants. I'm gonna drop you to the dirt. That's how my bike fell. That's how my bike fell. Eat dirt, kid. Eat dirt. Whew, you got me gas. Half of me doesn't even want you to ride it because half of me thinks you did that on purpose. Gosh dang it, stupid. Pick it up. Pick up my bike. Treat my bike like trash. All right, pull it out. Let's go. I'm gonna teach you how to ride a man's bike. You on some baby stuff right now? Well, he goes and gears up. I can talk about this bike. I've literally had it since, I've had this since 2014. I've had this bike for like 7 years. And this just shows you how clapped it is. The bolt in the back is broken, so it barely hangs onto the seat. So at one time I was having to duct tape the seat and the plastics together. I've had this bike for 7 years. I probably put like 50 hours on it every year. So 50 times 7 is about 350. I haven't done a single thing with this engine, and it's probably got over 300 hours on it. I will bet that. Yeah, you can see more of the duct tape. Got a brand new tire on it though. This is just me from being a professional, trying to change out my tires. You can see how professional I am because I scratched up the rim just about in every spot. So that just showed you how good I am. But I always maintain it. I always change the oil and stuff because I'm not stupid. I know you actually need to change your oil. Like fork seals aren't leaking. Oh my gosh, you can literally just see all the rust on there. Wait, what the heck? What happened to the exhaust springs? Yo, this got no exhaust springs? I haven't even seen that. I haven't ridden this in about a minute, so every other bike I've literally just kept down at my house and just done stuff with them. I haven't, oh piss, I'm about to drop it. I haven't done stuff with this in a minute. It's got no exhaust springs. You know, this thing is rusted out. I'm dead. This thing has seen better days. I gotta do like a, if you guys want to see a video of me just taking this to the bare frame and just doing a fat makeover and doing the engine and everything, that'll be sick. Because this is my first bike and I have freaking loved it. I'm probably never gonna get rid of it. But yeah, this is the bike. And this thing's the one that got me going. Yo, you literally look like it's your first day of preschool. Get your helmet on, let's go. Dog, you gotta adjust your goggles. Justin, you literally look like a noob. It's still so off. You just get on the bike. Is your helmet on?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, it better be. Your mom's gonna get mad if you fall off, because I know you're gonna fall off like an idiot. Literally, yeah, it literally looks like your first day of preschool. Your mom just dropped you off. Get on the bike, kid. Oh my lord. Alright, so you know how to ride it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, no. You gotta, see, this is the choke right here. This is the gas, you push it down. That turns it on, so your gas goes through. And then my choke here, it's not popping up, so I'm gonna have to hold it. You know how to kick a bike?
Yeah.
Pull the kickstart out, and you kick it like a man. I mean, you can't just barely touch it like you're just barely tapping your bicycle. See, yeah, hold on, I gotta hold the choke open. There you go, now kick it. Kick it like you want it. Oh yeah, get on it, get on it, get on it, get on it. Man, you're kicking it like a baby. Get on it. It's super cold outside. Huh?
The holding thing?
It is super cold, huh?
The holding thing, like?
No, you kick it like a man. No, you don't hold nothing. I may need to kick it because I'm bigger than you. So you still haven't hit puberty yet, so. Got him. Alright, hold on, let me kick it. He better not crash. He's gonna crash. He's ridden a couple times. At least I hope he's ridden. No, I'm playing. I just haven't been out here really when he's ridden. Quit putting it like you're on a 4-stroke, kid. What's up, kid? What's up, bro? Use your brake. Don't put your foot off. Use your brake. Don't put your foot off. Let it warm up a little bit to get on it. That way, just get out front. Hey, yo, big. Rev it up a little bit. Alright, get it. You good, go. Putting it. Still sounds good though. He's just putting it though. There you go. Actually, proud brother moment. Is the rear brake not working? There you go. How'd that feel, honey? Felt good? Nice. Alright, you keep ripping. What's up, dog? Alright, he's gonna keep ripping. I'm gonna go get on our 4-wheeler and I'm just gonna go follow him, mess around, see what's out there. So let's get it. That way, dogs. Get it up. Oh, piss. What's up, Stitchy? You riding around? Let's get it. Man, I haven't been on a 4-wheeler in a minute. Hey, dog. Anymore. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Oh, he's in the back down here. Alright, let's go get him. Get out the way, dogs. Oh, it sucks around one hand. Really just miss him? Oh, there he is. They literally just saw him right here. Come on, kid. Oh, he's on the other side. This kid's gonna be the death of me. I swear. Finally got this little kid, and it is mad muddy out here, so we can get a little mud riding in. It's not crazy deep. Come here, kid. Got the horses back there. Oh yeah, there you go. Get a little muddy out in there. Nice. Good way to stall that. I was thinking you just want to mess around here and kind of just play in this little water area right here.
Sure. Do you see how deep the creek is, or not creek? The pond is now.
How do we see how deep it is?
Not deep, but like, remember like there's all those plants and stuff?
Oh yeah, I can ride the four-wheeler through there. You want to get some videos of me just ripping here?
Don't get the camera all muddy, alright? Alright. Don't get the middle like me.
Do it. This tires you out, big. That was fun as freak, but I am beat. You gonna take a rip at it?
Sure. Are you gonna ride the bike?
Huh?
You gonna ride the bike?
Ride the bike to this? I don't know. I may just video you a little bit. It's this one. This is a little bit. This is really muddy to ride the bike, and I can do it though. But kind of don't want to keep getting my boots all wet, because I am drenched. I am muddy and I'm beat. I love how you wiping the seat off like you're not about to get wet. Get on it and start riding, kid. Oh. Get it, get it. Nice, yeah. Watch out, Stitch. Oh yeah, he's ripping. Swing it, swing it. Swing it. Get on it, get on it. Watch out, Stitch. Oh yeah, he's ripping. What's up, Lilo? What's up, Lilo? Oh man, these are the fun days, and we're just out at the farm chilling. We're just mad ripping. Oh, get it, get it, get it. He's backfiring. He's smoking up a lot. Probably got it in low. Hey, okay. I see you. It ripping. You cold?
Yes.
You was hitting it hard through there. You got it all muddied up for me. I ain't taking the dirt bike through. The dirt bike's gonna suck if I took through here.
Yeah.
It'd be a little too muddy. I don't want to get that muddy. Smoking up. I see you smoking up. Smoking up. You flaming. You flaming. It's too hot for you. You too hot for it. Oh, that was fun, bro. All right, I'm gonna get back and rip a little more. And then, yeah. You cold?
Yes.
A little bit. All right, hop off. Let me rip a little bit then. See, when you hit that drift and you was sliding in,
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can drift it right here and then go in that corner and just drift it. Kind of just chill. But I'm gonna hit that really hard.
Yeah.
See if you can get close to me, and I'm gonna hit that hard, and it's gonna spike up all the water. Try not to get the camera wet, but then big.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna come into this corner and just fly in there.
Okay.
Oh, come on now. Gosh dang it. I hate how the key you can't give it gas because it's at like a weird angle.
Want me to give it gas at like the same time?
Yeah, if you want to. Where's the choke on this thing?
The what?
The choke.
Choke.
I don't have a choke.
I don't think so, yeah.
Alright, well I'm gonna do it. You give it gas with your thumb a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
Ready? Here's some gas. Yes. Alright, here, watch out. I need to sit. I don't want the battery down. Gosh dang it, Big. We should have left it running.
Yeah.
I'm definitely all muddied up. We'll keep ripping here a little bit, man. I've got to start it back up. Look a little bit, though.
Over there?
Yeah, you can head over there. Seems like definitely backfiring a little bit. What's up, Riley? Oh, it just died. It's overheating a little bit. It got to you can see it smoking now. Did I hit that hard? I hit that hard.
Yeah.
Bro, you see I just got soaked from that. Nah, it started overheating. It's bogging too much. We got a little too wet. I say we just go back and chill.
Yeah.
Because we gotta leave in like an hour. So that's probably it for the video. You know, we got muddy. If you guys kind of like me and my brother just messing around at the farm, we can always do like camping stuff and just like different riding clips. You know, we got the dogs around here. But if you like this video, just let me know. We can start doing more like Muddin type stuff and more different stuff, because that's like a natural creek, so there's always going to be water. It's a natural spring and it comes out of the water, and it goes into the pond down there, so there's always going to be water around here to mess around with. And so that's it for the video. We'll probably keep messing around. We gotta get showered up. Hope you liked it. We were just screwing around today, nothing crazy. Peace out. Man, we are muddy. Check me out. That's what I'm talking about. You know you ripping hard when the four-wheeler's not gonna start anymore. It's too wet. I better not have to push it up though. I'll be hurt. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Ooh, I gotta get showered up. Not that I'm already wet. Always wet because I'm always looking good, but no, because I'm muddy. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.